Are you ready for a phone that dominates the competition? Buckle up, because Nokia is about to shock the smartphone world with the X150 Ultra 5G, a monster with a 7500 mAh battery, a 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, and insane performance, all at a price that'll make your jaw drop. If you're excited to get your hands on this powerhouse, make sure to watch this video till the end, because we're revealing all the leaked features, pricing, and launch details of this monster device. So, let's dive in. Features of Nokia X150 Ultra 5G. This smartphone flaunts a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 1.5K resolution, delivering razor-sharp visuals. That's not all, it also comes with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an 360Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-responsive gaming and scrolling. Plus, it's built like a tank with Gorilla Glass 7 for ultimate durability. Camera setup. When it comes to cameras, the Nokia X150 Ultra is a true flagship killer. On the back, you get a triple camera setup, headlined by a mind-blowing 200 megapixel primary sensor. And it doesn't stop there, it's accompanied by 50 megapixel, and an 8 megapixel lenses for pro-level photography. For selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it an absolute gaming monster. Whether it's high-end gaming or multitasking, this phone won't break a sweat. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 15, ensuring a smooth and futuristic experience. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. Nokia has packed a massive 7500 mAh battery inside, supported by 120-watt fast charging, via Type-C port. Price and launch date. Now, the big question. How much will it cost? Expected to be priced around $799, this phone is shaping up to be a steal deal for what it offers. As for the launch, mark your calendars, mid-next year.